Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from FX Learning. In today's video, we're going to talk about the name of this video, paid indicators versus free indicators. And it's a really good topic. And the reason why I bring it up is because today I was scrolling over Facebook and websites and forums. And there is a lot of new traders trying to get their hands on free training, free software, free indicators, free EAs. And the question you got to ask yourself, why is it free, right? Imagine if, let's say, a Lamborghini costs 100 grand. If somebody said you can have a Lamborghini for free, your first thing would be like, yeah, give me it. But the second question is going to be, why is it free? What's wrong with it? There's got to be something wrong with it if it's free. And that's the issue with free indicators. Why are they free? Now, I want to quickly show you something, right? When I first ever started trading, I was like everybody else, right? I would just scroll all the internets, all the forums, all the Facebook groups, and I just wanted all free training, all free indicators or whatever. And I had it in my head that I was better than everybody else and I was going to get everything for free, right? And this is the reality is, right? I bought a brand new laptop, and this laptop has about 500, maybe 300, let's say, free indicators on it, and now it's absolutely ruined. I might as well just chuck it in the bin. And that's because, right, it's just when you download something that's free, it's free, right? You don't know where it's come from, and it's full of viruses, full of stuff that just ruins computers. And my computer is ruined. And in 1 year of trying to search for free stuff, I didn't know anything, right? I didn't even actually know how to trade. I had a laptop that was broken. I didn't know how to trade. And I thought to myself, what am I doing? Right? And that's the difference, okay? Imagine this. Why do you trade? Why do you want to trade? Do you want to have more money so you can go on more holidays? Do you want a better car, better life for your family? Or do you want to quit your job and travel the world, let's say? Now, if you can make profits from trading and you're making, massive profits, you're not going to be on Facebook. You're not going to be on websites, right? So people trying to sell you stuff is just like nobody, right? Imagine a millionaire, right? A millionaire said, I got rich from trading a 60-second indicator. Said nobody, because it didn't exist, right? Nobody's going to get rich from a 60-second binary indicator. Yeah, it might work for a month, but over the long run, it isn't going to happen, right? And this is what I say to everybody who watches this video, okay? Trading can give you financial freedom. Okay, you could be in America, you could be in Japan, Hong Kong, Miami, it doesn't matter. If you know how to trade, you can make profits. So get serious, right? I've got a 50-inch telly here. I've got a 50-inch telly in the other room, and I've got a 50-inch telly in the other room behind this wall, and I don't even have a TV license. Why? Because that one's hooked up to the charts, that one's hooked up to the charts, and that one's hooked to the charts. If I'm not in here trading, I'm in bed trading, or I'm in my lounge trading. Or if not, I'm sitting reading books about mindset, discipline, investments. I'm getting serious because I want financial freedom, I want to travel the world. Okay, right? That's the same for you. Stop trying to search for stuff that's free, because all that happens is this, broken stuff. It doesn't work, right? I say to everybody, to me, I set the binary destroyer up to help people, right? You buy the binary destroyer off me. You get support, you get updates. If you have problems, you come to me. If you need my help learning to trade, you can sit in this chair here. I'll sit in the chair behind you and we can trade together, right? That's how you should be with trading. Right? To me, it doesn't matter if you buy the binary destroyer or not. It doesn't matter. If you want to learn to trade, come see me. If you don't, I'm not interested if you don't want to buy the binary destroyer. I'm still going to make my money with my VIP members, and they're still going to learn to trade. And that's it. If somebody comes to you and says to you, hey, I've got this amazing strategy that will make you 90% profit every single day, trading 5-minute binary trades, right? My simple answer is, think about it. If this guy has an indicator that's making 90% ITMs every single day, why is he messaging you? Why is he on Facebook? Why is he trying to sell you this dream? You simply wouldn't be there. Where's his supercar? Where's his nice house? Where's his holidays? Where's his luxury? All it is just a fad. You need to get serious. And that's what I say to everyone, okay? The buy and destroyer is a really good strategy, really good indicator, right? And we'll teach you price action. We'll teach you how to trade around it, okay? But you've got to, the whole package of learning to trade with the indicator. It's not just, let's go on some website and download something for free and expect to make your money, because nobody did that. It doesn't exist, right? I know £1,000,000 hedge funds traders. I know FOREX traders that are pulling millions, right? And they'll just tell you the same thing. You either want to get serious about trading or you don't. Simple, okay? And then that's it, right? So in today's video with trading, I want to show you the power of price action. So I actually did my trading before I made this video, and I basically showed you the power of price action and what you can actually achieve from learning something. I see a lot of people kind of spamming stuff, people thinking they're professional traders, people thinking they're wizards, right? If they're wizards, they simply wouldn't be spamming everyone on Facebook, would they? And that's the thing you have to remember, right? Learn price action. And once you've mastered price action, in fact, hold on, let me show you, I'll show you something, okay? We'll go to the charts now and I'll show you something. So this is our training, which is going to be in our members area. And I quickly want to read you a story and emails that I receive every single day. So I'll just read it to you. I occasionally receive emails from traders saying that they have lost money from trading and explain how they have got themselves into such a poor situation and that they are desperate to recoup their losses. So traders that haven't got a clue about trading have just stuck a load of money in a trading account thinking they're going to get rich. What this tells me is they are greedy and impatient. For whatever reason, they didn't bother to learn the skills of trading, hoping to get rich quick with such little effort as possible. To make things worse, they try and chase profits by throwing even more money at this bad situation. This is why we provide you with demo trading and stress the importance of practice, improvement and confidence before risking money on live trading. Remember, trading is 20% strategy and 80% mindset. Learn the skill of trading first before you risk any money. Imagine the case of a new trader who has learnt his skills over a 6-month period and is able to consistently double his account each month on demo, providing that he has the knowledge and acquired the skill to make money for himself and others. I'm sure you will agree that he has greatly increased his market probability and improved his career prospects. He has now opened the doors to the financial market. Can you see what I mean now, okay? Imagine, right, beginner trader downloads a load of free stuff from the internet, indicators, strategies, training, right? He sticks a load of money in a trading account and trades live day one. He blows his account. Then he's like, oh no, I've lost all this money. I need to put more money in it and recoup his losses. What happens? He just loses money, right? Now look at the other situation. Somebody gets serious about the trading. They stop scrolling around on Facebooks and trying to find free stuff, and they try and find the best holy grail EAs and stuff like that. They invest in one training, let's say my training, right? They invest in it. They get serious about it. They stop watching TV. They start picking books up and reading. And before you know it, you're making profits. I said, I'll give you a bit of advice, okay, right? The day you stop asking questions about something is the day you start making profits in that sector, right? Imagine this, right? I don't know how to sell boats. I don't know nothing about boats. But if I learnt about boats, I learnt how to sell boats, And I got to a point where I didn't need to read any more books because I knew so much about boats, it was ridiculous. I could start selling boats, right? And that's the same with trading. When you go to look at your charts and you already know the answer, you know it's an uptrend, you know the market's overbought, you know there's a reversal happening, you know when to enter a trade, you get into a trade, you make profits. The day that happens is the day you're financially free. The day you have 500 free indicators on a laptop is the day you go nowhere, right? This laptop might as well go in a bin, right? Now, sorry to keep going on. So let's go over the charts now and I'll show you the power of price action trading along with the BD 5.0. So let's go. Hi everyone, so in today's trading session I'm going to show you the power of price action. Now when it comes to trading, you can't avoid it. You know, you've got to understand how the markets work. And you'll find a lot of beginners or, you know, people that are just starting out in trading, they will try and trade a set way and then expect the market to behave the same way. And it doesn't work like that. You know, the market will do whatever it wants to do and nobody can control that, right? Especially you and me. So we need to understand how the market works and then use our knowledge as an advantage to get into trades. Now I want to quickly show you this photo. Now I received this from the free BD group, but first of all, just look at that. You know, you can't even see the candlestick patterns. And, you know, the candlestick patterns are the most important thing there is, you know, because it's the candles that tell us which way the market's going. You know, is it a strong uptrend? Is it a strong downtrend? And we need to see those candles to get an idea of the market. In this photo, you can't see none of that. You can't even see any price action, you know, and to me, that's not trading. You know, I don't even know what that is. I mean, look, you can even see scorpions. For some reason he has blue and red scorpions on his charts. I don't know why. So I just want to quickly show you some price action trading. Now when I say price action, I don't mean harmonic patterns, pivot points, daily support and resistance, everything like that. Just basic support and resistance, trend lines, market, overbought, oversold. That's it, right? I mean, I give you an example right here. Here is a perfect trend line. You know, we've got 1 bounce, 2 bounces, 3 bounces. So technically here, look, you see how the price is heading up here? If we got in at this signal candle, we would have been a nice signal. We could have actually rode this currency pair with the trend, right? That's basically it. Simple trading. So what I'm going to do is I've loaded up basically naked candlestick patterns. Now I've never actually traded like this. I normally have a moving average or stochastics or RSI or something else to confirm a trade. But I've set myself a challenge and I'm going to try and find one setup with just using candlesticks, right? And I want to show you that if you can learn this, it's with you for life. You know, learning to trade is probably the most powerful skill you can ever do. Mainly because it doesn't matter where you are in this world. You could be in Miami, you could be in Thailand, you could be in Japan, New York. It doesn't matter. If you've learned this skill, you can make an income wherever you are, right? And this is the one thing I have to stress to people, that just pick up a book or watch a video, or I mean, I would say, you know, join my trading course, let's say, but just learn it and, you know, it'll be with you for life. So I'll show you. There's no point me trading this because let me actually look. Nope, I don't quite like that. So I'm going to look for certain candlestick patterns. I quite like this Euro USD. What's this? Euro USD, right? Christ. In fact, let's make it harder, right? Let's pick a random currency pair. I don't know. What can I trade that's random on Go Markets? Right. Put this up here. What can I trade that's random? GP Chef, never traded that. Let's have a go at GP Chef. So we'll load up GP Chef, and I will just load up price action, right? 1 minute time frame. And what makes it worse, we're even trading with binary, which makes it 5 times worse for me. So right, okay, I'm going to put this here. What were we trading? GP Chef investment. Let's do a small investment. Let's do 50 quid, right? And I'm going to try and sit and right. Let me first of all let me look at what the overall market's doing. Right, it's downtrend. We can see that it's a downtrend, right? Let me move this over here somewhere. Put this over here. Right, overall, hello. We've got an engulfing candle. Is this an engulfing candle? Yes, we are. Let's take this up. In. Right, we're in. Whew. Right. So let's quickly explain this setup here. Right, let's put this over here. So first of all, what I like about this is it's clearly a downtrend, right? You know, if you join the dots, let's say, you've got trend down, pull back, trend down, pull back, right? Trend down, correct, right? We can all see that. You know, if I draw the opposite, okay, we're kind of like in a channel, right? You can all see this. Now, at this very point, if I zoom in here, we're very bearish, right? We've got, you know, there's a lot of red candles, but look at this consolidating area here, right? Let me just draw a box here. Can you see how the price is kind of confused in this area? Can you see this, right? We've got a big red candle, then we had a big green candle, then we had a red candle, right? And the price is thinking, well, what's going on here? What is going on here? It's hit some, at the minute, it's hit some kind of resistance level, right? Look, we've got a big green candle, but look at the size of that wick, right? Then we had 4 candles pushing us all the way down, and then we had another engulfing candle, right? And we've now got another wick. So again, the price is unsure, but it's like at this level here. Let me just draw, insert horizontal line here. Yeah, that's why. Look. Okay. Spotting. You see this resistance line here. Look, bounce, 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 bounce. Right. And then again at the same level, bounce, bounce, bounce. Now, when you see this kind of confusing, like red, green, red candles, what's happening is basically the market has plowed. It's basically smashed into a resistance line like this. Let me just I'll draw it better, right? So imagine this. There's our resistance line, okay, or support line, let's say, and I'll draw this. Let's go black, right? What's happened is the price is hold on, I'll draw it red. What happened is the price is absolutely smashed into the resist support line, right? And it's a very strong support line, okay? And we can see from when I went back in the charts, it's it's been supporting for quite a while. The price has suddenly rejected like this, bounced off it, but because it's a very strong downtrend, the price has gone no, bang, smashed into it again, right? Then it's gone back up, then it's gone back down, and then it's gone back up, right? Like this, right? And can you see what's happening now? We kind of broke up like this. This here, area here, right? And here is consolidation. It's like the price is unsure on what to do. Now, the way you'd normally trade this is a breakout. You know, you normally wait for the price to break down or break up. But because I haven't actually got any RSIs, stochastics, moving averages, MACDs on my charts, in fact I even got the binary destroyer on my charts. I mean, I'll give you an example, right? I understand this, but I actually use the binary destroyer arrows, right? Even though I'm trading price action, I will use the binary destroyer arrows when I do trade price action, let me say. Now, I actually use the pullback arrows, okay? I find the pullback arrows are very powerful when trading the let me show you, hold on. So look, we can see, first of all, there we go, trade nicely in the money. Yeah, you see that? Okay, look, you see that look, we actually got a BD arrow pop. But I want to quickly show you, let me wait for it to close. You know, I mean, how quick did I find that trade? I'm quite impressed with that, actually. Wait for it to close. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I want to quickly show you the pullback arrows, right, and why I actually love them quite a lot, right? So this is the pullback arrows. Now, pullback arrows only work in a trending market, so I've got to find a trending market, okay? And here is a trending market. Let me just add a moving average. We'll add a 50 moving average, and I'm going to change that actually to green. Right, can you see that? Right, we can all see that price is trending down because it's below the moving average. So I'll show you, and I'll zoom in, okay, right, from the top, trend down. Hold on, I'm going to change this to a different color so you can see it. Look, trend down, pullback, signal arrow because it's our pullback mode, price drops. Okay, we will forget the green arrows because it's a downtrend. Okay, we're trading downtrends, right? So we're trading red arrows. Price pulls down again, it pulls back. There's our pullback arrow. Price drops again. We pull back. Okay, we haven't actually had any arrows yet. Okay, so we wouldn't take that one. There we go. Look, another pullback arrow. Price drops. So these, right? So when I actually trade price action, or I trade the binary destroyer, I look for these arrow. Oh, I can't even draw that there. I look for these pullback arrows with the trend, right? You know, that's what I look for. But like I say to all my members, okay, you're not gonna, unless you know which way the market's trending, you're not gonna win like this, right? Because if you don't know which way the market's going now, you might be taking the green arrows, right? So this is what I'm trying to say is, just learn basic. What is a trend? What is a support and resistance? And then we can use that skill as our advantage when trading the binary destroyer, right? You know, this is simple stuff, right? You know, no one's asking you to learn harmonic patterns or pivot points or whatever. Just what is a trend, support and resistance lines. You know, I could draw all the resistance lines on here, right? There's one. We'll draw another one here, and we'll draw another one here, right? And I'll go through the process again just so we can finish it off. Price pulls down, trends up, signal arrow drops, actually breaks the support. Remember, what becomes support becomes resistance. So it broke resistance, then bounced off it, which came, no, bounced off support, then became resistance. Yeah, signal arrow appears, drops, bounced off support, bounced back off the resistance line. You can see that where it broke before, it broke down, it pulled back, broke down again, right, bounced off resistance. So resistance there, bounced off it. Yeah, pulls down, bounced off it, becomes resistance again, drops. Yeah, you see that signal candle there, signal arrow there, drops, right? Simple stuff. And I teach this anyway, but you know, this is what I say about just basic stuff. You know, pick up a book, read it, watch YouTube videos or whatever, you know, learn this. So I'm going to leave that there. If you have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.